Hi everyone. I want to welcome you to our gardening channel. As you know, I moved from the city to the country to learn how to be a really good gardener. So I want to show you how we get the water transported around the gardens and of course water in cans and hoses. But I wanted to show you this is how we start the garden. We get seed trays, and these are really old seed trays. We treat them really well so that they last for years and years and years. So we get the seeds from Vessie's, my favorite place, and then we start the seeds inside in the sunroom. So here you can see some pumpkins starting. Then I want to show you what we do is we take these hoses. There's Gold the Girl. Hi, Gold the Girl. We take these hoses and we feed them all the way around the property. And that way we don't have to use the tap because we don't want to use the tap for watering our food, right? You can always trust usually what comes out of the pond. And in the pond, there's lots of different organisms, everything like that. This is a makeshift pump. So there's not actually bleach in there. That's an empty container used to kind of, how would you say? It's a makeshift pump. Look. Got to be hands on. We're in a pandemic. You got to learn how to put things together that you wouldn't have thought you could put together before. So this is a pump made to pull the water from the pond and then transport it all the way around the property. And see, there's another plastic container there as a flotation device. So here we go. We're going to follow the tube all the way up. It goes all the way up and around. Whoops. Oh, trip over the dog. Thank you, Molly. There's the girls. So what we do is we just feed these hoses all around the property. This is the main one. And then we have little connectors. I'm going to be showing you the different connecting pieces that I found that I use that really work. The different kinds of hoses, everything that I found that works so that you can, that's where we scrape our feet to get the mud off. So you can learn how to garden as well because you're going to want to grow your own food. And if you have the chance to do it, and if I can help you, I will. So what we do is now we just feed all of this hose all the way through the garden. And oh, see, there's my Vessie's box. Shout out to Vessie's. Yeah, and this is a great way to do all your watering because I think that even the water that comes from the tap has a lot of things added to it, and you don't want to be eating anything that you wash your plants with or water them with is what you're going to be eating.